Hi there, I'm Dr. Guy Carnazza, and I practice in the town of East Rockaway, New York. And I have a treat for you today. I'd like to share a video with you about dental implants, highlighting their benefits and how they can improve your quality of life. We have some cases to highlight that we've completed here in our practice, where I've done both the surgical and the prosthetic rehabilitation for these patients. So, without further ado, let's get started. This first case highlights a patient who came to us with a broken lower first molar, and the tooth was not salvageable. So what we did was we extracted the tooth, bone grafted the site, and allowed the area to heal so we can then go back and place an implant at a later date. The benefit of this was we didn't have to shave down the adjacent teeth to hold or support a traditional fixed bridge. So this allowed this patient to preserve the health of these adjacent teeth. Another benefit was by bone grafting this site, we actually preserved the bone around those adjacent teeth. Because when we extract a tooth, and if we don't preserve the bone, what happens is the bone will tend to collapse and resorb, thereby compromising those teeth in that area and the bony support for those teeth in that area. So this patient was able to chew again after we placed a implant supported crown where we didn't have to cut down those adjacent teeth, and it felt just like his own. And again, major benefit, we preserved the health of his teeth, we preserved the bone of his teeth. He was no longer biting his cheek, biting his tongue, and he felt brand new. This next case is of a patient who came to us with an existing upper and lower denture. And her real issue was her lower denture. It was very uncomfortable, very big, very bulky. She had to wear adhesive all day to keep it in place, and she was just completely frustrated. So what we did was we placed 2 lower implants, which we then allowed to heal for a period of 3 months, and then we placed what we call locator attachments. And these locator or stud attachments allow for what we call the fabrication of what's called an overdenture. And basically this is a new denture that then snaps in over those attachments. Major benefit here, this patient doesn't have to wear any more adhesive, no more paste. She can bite and eat comfortably, confidently. The denture isn't sliding around anymore. And the actual way this works is that these housings are embedded in the denture and they snap in over the implants, hence overdenture. And the major benefit again, the patient doesn't have to wear any more adhesive. As you can see in these pictures, there's more freedom for her tongue to move, so her speech is increased. She's able to swallow more comfortably. There's less bulk of material, like she told us, cutting into the side of her cheeks and her face. And once again, confidence. She didn't have to worry about her denture slipping out of her mouth or sliding, and she was tired of wearing the adhesive and the paste. So, a very minor procedure gave this patient an extreme quality of life again. In this final case that we're going to see today, this patient came to us with the need for all of his teeth, both upper and lower, to be extracted. They were beyond repair. He barely even wanted to smile for these initial pictures. And he told us that he was very unhappy with the appearance of his teeth, and he was ready to do something about it. But he told us by no means did he want anything removable. Dentures were out of the question. He wanted fixed teeth only. So what we did was we removed all his upper teeth. We placed 6 implants on the upper arch, and we removed all his lower teeth, and we're able to place 4 implants on the lower arch, both arches able to support fixed, non-removable porcelain to gold bridges. And now this patient can't stop smiling. One of the major benefits he told us was that he was able to now go back out with friends and family, go back out into public, smile, laugh, not put his hand over his face. He was missing out on that social aspect of life. So, let alone from chewing and eating, his social life improves. He was able to go out with friends and family again. And that's very big for a lot of people. Because of his smile, that's what held him back. And with the benefit of dental implants, it changed his life. So yes, he's able to eat and chew a lot better, which is going to give him longevity. He got the facial support that he was lacking because he was missing the teeth. But the confidence to go out in social situations, to laugh, to smile, and engage his family and friends is priceless. So, if you're interested in learning more about dental implants and how they can benefit you, come on in and we'll do a free consult for you. We're located in the town of East Rockaway, only 20 minutes from JFK in New York. Or you can give us a call, and you can go online and see more cases like this of before and afters that we've done. I hope you've enjoyed this video today, and we'll talk to you soon. Thank you.